So let's practice some of these properties. When solving the equation 12p equals 120, what's the next logical step and why? Well, when we solve an equation like this, we have 12 times p equals 120. How would we do that? Well, we do the opposite. We were multiplying here, so to remove that 12, we would do the opposite and divide both sides by 12. So our next logical step would be to divide both sides by 12. Why are we allowed to do that? Why can we divide both sides of the equation by the same number? Well, that is our division property of equality. Okay, so why the division property of equality? What was our next step? To divide both sides by 12 to get p equals 10. All right, here's another one. When solving this equation, 2x minus 4 equals negative 20, what's the next logical step and why? So again, let's just take a look. We're used to solving equations. So what would we do here? Well, the x is over here. We want to move everything else to the other side. So we have this minus 4. How would we get rid of that? We would do the opposite and add 4 to both sides. Okay, which gives us 2x equals negative 16. Sorry about the ugliness there. Okay, that's our next logical step, was adding 4 to both sides. Why were we allowed to do that? Well, that's called the addition property of equality. Okay, adding the same number to both sides is the addition property of equality. Next, when solving 2x plus 12 equals negative 22, what's our next logical step and why? Well, how would we solve that? Again, we've got the x. We need everything else to go to the other side. So right now we have 2x plus 12 equals negative 22. Our next logical step is to remove that 12. It's a plus 12. How would we remove it? We do the opposite and subtract 12 from both sides, which leaves us with 2x equals negative 34. Okay, so that was our next logical step. Why? Why could we do that? Why can we subtract the same number from both sides of an equation? Well, that's called the subtraction property of equality. That's what allows us to subtract the same number from both sides of an equation. I apologize, my little writing tool is not working great here. Okay, so those are some next logical steps and why.